Sony cop. Oh! It landed it! It landed it! Yeah, dude, I didn't know you were a skater. Oh, don't you like eat?
I'm Asian, yeah.
Don't you like eat anything?
Yeah, there's no such thing as animal abuse to me.
21. G-Block savage with the criminal. 21. Niggas throwing shots, they subliminal. 21. Say that it's a problem, we spin them.
I'm not phased whatsoever.
Awfully chill.
She's really chill. Calm before the storm.
Who are you?
I'm glad that we're having peace and quiet before everybody starts showing up. This spot's really good.
Good. I like it.
Yeah. They have everything here, like the tacos, quesadillas, molitas, the OG plate, the burrito.
Can I eat in peace?
They do 16 hours of cooking the birria here. So let's dig in before it gets really crowded.
And just start eating.
Omar? Hey, it's a pleasure. Moises. Nice to meet you. This thing's clean.
Thank you.
My buddy just picked up a GT3. He's coming tonight. Yeah?
Manual or
It's not manual.
it's okay.
If you guys don't know who this is the owner of Poppy Tacos. Such a clean GT3. Dude, are you ready for tonight?
Very ready, bro. We're ready, man. It's gonna be that busy over here.
I think so. It's gonna probably start off small, then it's gonna, carry on, and people always love showing fashionably late.
Grew up making food. Everybody that I grew up with was kind of like eating my food kind of thing. I had my family, friends. At a young age, I worked at a bakery and started from there. Started making street food, very authentic kind of style. Kind of grew up with wood fires, open fire grill,
Right on.
wood ovens, that kind of stuff. So really like old school, authentic ways of cooking. A way everyone like, oh, they're eating, like, oh, papi, that was good. Like, and that's how the name started.
Oh! Welcome back, dude! He's back. You're gonna park it next to him. Damn, dude. Dude, the owner of Poppy Tacos has a GT3 too.
No way.
Yeah, super chill.
Black one too?
Huh? Black one, yeah.
Have them park.
This motherfucker! You're definitely a cop magnet.
I know, dude.
Oh,
Traffic call.
gosh, dude.
Right as fuck, bro.
Jeez, dude. Put that mirror in. You want me to push it in? Look how close this guy is. Alright, there we go. He's good. Oh, man, so tight. You like it tight, don't you?
You like that.
Dude, is it true? Josh said this once. Doors go up, panties go down?
Oh yeah, you already know. In the stars.
Oh, that's...
Oh, hell yeah. I want one. Can I have it? No, just kidding.
You need it. Bible studies are always great.
No, we got
Oh,
married.
married. My bad. Congratulations.
Thanks, man. I appreciate
Yeah.
it.
So question of the day. How many kids are you guys gonna have? 4?
Oh, I was thinking 6.
Oh!
I'm down for 4.
What are you doing?
What's side?
What do you want to do with people with the parking? Are you on bags? Oh! That's so rad. Damn, Jay. I thought you were kidding, dude. Oh my fucking A, dude. Congrats on the new car.
Thanks, man. How are you?
Good. What's next?
I don't know.
You said something was coming. What's the viewers want to know?
Another Porsche, maybe. Like 5 seconds ago, none of this was here. What happened? I look outside. I went inside for a bite. I go outside and I see all this. This is crazy, bro. Nice cars, bro. Nice cars. This is really nice. I appreciate you putting this together, man. I appreciate the love, the support, everything, man. We love having this here, man. I love to see it. It's
And
like
this-
living a dream.
This won't be our last. Guys, we'll see you guys around. How do you guys like the food?
Oh, that's actually good. The beer, yeah.
Nice. All right, we'll see you, man.
Good job, Nico. What's going on?
Sick. What's up? Oh, I told you about this. Are you ready to surf this summer?
Oh, you did.
Mid-August.
I'm down.
The water's gonna be
I'm scared
warm.
of sharks.
Are you serious?
I'm very scared.
Dude, there's no sharks.
It's like my worst fear.
Yo, so you're actually on our list of top 5.
That'll be fire.
Yeah, I think you're on the third one before DD.
I'm down.
Are you down?
I'm down.
Yo, do you guys?
Sick.
All right, so all the people that want to see, it's gonna be like a podcast on the water. So it would be like 3. You showcase your car, learn how to surf, and we'll like get to know you a lot more in the water.
I'm down. That'll be fun.
So
I've
yeah.
never done a podcast.
Really? Oh, dude, I'm glad I'm popping this cherry. Things.
Hopefully I don't get eaten by a shark.
You're not gonna get eaten by a shark, Nick.
That'll be funny though.
All right, so if you guys want to know Nick a little bit more, feel like, what questions should we ask him? What do you guys want to know about him? And yeah,
I'm down. I'm down.
yeah, and whoever you guys else want to see, tag him or we'll come up to him and
If
all
I
that
get fresh
stuff.
kicks on there.
You guys want to do it together?
That'll be tight.
Yo, let's do you guys together. Teach you how to surf / podcast on the water /
scared, bro.
showcase your car.
I'm scared.
Have you ever done a podcast?
No.
Ah,
I want to do a podcast on the water, bro. I might touch a fish. I'm scared of like a fish. Like
Hey, Nick said it's because you can't swim. Is it true?
I can swim, I can't float.
That's what he says all the time.
So if you want to learn how to surf and showcase your car,
Put it on the
What's up with
land.
black guys in water? I know it's not bad. It's so much water, huh? It's like something. I want to know where it like came from.
No.
you and Kicks, you're up.
I'm gonna end up being there by myself.
Man, baby, how good to see you. Cheers. What's up, dude?
About time, right? 3 years.
Like, this year 2.0 right here, dude. Oh my gosh, dude.
You have a vehicle.
I have a vehicle. I have a running car now.
Has it grenaded? Or
No.
it's been ungrenaded?
It has been ungrenaded.
Thank you guys for coming. I'm going to Fiji for a month, so I'll keep you guys updated what I do out there to inspire you.
Amazing, I love it. It's loud.
What's your favorite car here? If you guys didn't hear her, she said McLaren.
We finally did it, bro. It only took like 4 or 5 months. No. Sorry, no Indians allowed. No Indians allowed.
You got 2 Urises. This one's better because it has an SR sticker.
Dad, can you tell Moises he's a bitch, please?
Rumor has it voices.
I brought a friend.
Welcome. And you followed a Porsche buddy too. Lady driven. See you.
How you doing, brother?
So, got this sick GTR.
On Friday, he picked it up and he's already here. You know how to put it in reverse?
First time, bro.
What's up, bro?
Good seeing you.
Likewise, bro.
I didn't know you had a Urus too.
Yeah, the
Damn.
fucking Rolls, Urus, Twin Turbo Huracan,
You got more?
Mercy.
Damn. Not just Andy sandals. What kind of sandals do you have?
Louis Vuitton.
How much do those go for?
Like 900, 800.
That's what's up.
I remember somebody
Dude.
who used to come in sandals.
Sure. Not a bad spot.
Hey, Habibi.
Habibi. See you. Roll out, boys. Are you gonna go Blue Fig right now, or? How's it going, officer? So we're hanging out. Yeah. Dolly cars, so we don't want to. Yeah, we're not. Yeah, I can see that. These are like the high-end clients, so yeah. Yeah, we'll be leaving. Huh? Should I go? It's up to you. If you're hungry, you want a shake or anything. This thing's sick. Do you guys want to come with us? To the next spot. To the next spot.
What you have done to this car? Just down pipes. Just down pipes.
Down pumps? Okay. Well, so you guys left the in and out.
No, she wanted.
Where?
She wanted. To.
If it wasn't for the guy cock blocked.
Yeah, he cock blocked. He's like, oh, what?
With all these cars?
Yeah, Lamborghini takeover.
Yeah.
Over on the side, probably from a flat tire.
I told him your tire's flat. He's like, yeah, it's not too far.
told him?
I told him. I said, you have a new tire
yeah.
on the way? And he's like, yeah, it's not too far. I don't think he realized that it was flat.
Literally on the right. He's on the right before Jeffrey.
But I didn't want to be like that guy where like 300 people already told you your tire's flat, so like I don't want to tell him like, hey, your tire's flat. But that's what I told him. I was like, you have a tire on the way? God, that's funny.
His night's ruined,
Yeah.
pretty much. You gotta get a tow truck.
Maybe we should give him a tire. I have a flat one in the back.
Yo, what snacks you guys got? Reese's. What about you?
Went with the bites.
The bites.
What is this? The fire department came for you.
Oh, they're hot. Yo, they're hot.
I mean, the guy who owns 76 was like leaning on my car and then started fighting with this.
Yeah, it's still recording. How you doing, bro?
Okay, good to see you. Damn, at least you got it on video. Yeah. We're just having a Bible study, so.
Yes. That time is a slow time for us.
Okay.
But
luckily, but
Yeah.
hey, you guys got a lot of customers, so.
yes,
And you guys
thank
won
you.
easy $300. But,
Thank you.
Yeah, but yeah, we'll be heading out here soon.
I know.
All right, thanks, man.
But please, 5 minutes.
Yeah. All right, take it easy, man. He was chill with me, but he.
Yeah, he definitely did not like me
All right.
whatsoever. I don't even know why.
This guy. So it's not even this guy's car, I think.
No, it's other guys.
Yeah, and he's like, don't even touch the car, blah, blah, blah. He leaned on it when he went to bend over to touch. Maybe
Overreacting.
shouldn't have done that. Not a big deal. Yeah, bro, blah, blah. He literally said, I'm not going to let him touch your car again. I'm going to sock him out.
Damn.
Bro, look. This guy was in his face the whole time.
Wait, what?
Bunny.
There's a what? Underwear.
Bunny. Little baby bunny. Wait, stop
Bad
doing
Bunny?
that.
You don't like being. Are you hiding from the cops? Is it? Oh, wait, I'm stupid. Never mind. Julie, you're not stupid. You're beautiful.
Yeah, man, getting the drugs.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we are giving him a lot.
have a field day with this one, man.
We got some scalpels and cut them up. Oh, I'm sorry. That was
I'm sorry, that was not right.
Alright, yeah.
What's this knows the back of this car real well?
Yo, what do you mean about that?
Off the Fiji.